In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer domain from Squarespace to Shopify 2025. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click in Shopify and what information you'll need so the move is smooth and stress-free. Before we dive into the clicks, a quick bit of context. A domain transfer moves your domain registration into Shopify's system so you manage billing and settings in one place. For a successful transfer from your current provider, make sure the domain is eligible to transfer, that you have access to the administrative email on the domain, and that you have the authorization, sometimes called the EPP code, ready. If the domain is locked or under a recent 60-day change, Shopify will flag that for you during the process. Start in your Shopify admin. Head down to the Settings area. Inside Settings, open the Domain section. This is your command center for anything related to your web address. Here, choose the option to transfer a domain. You'll see a prompt to enter the domain you want to bring over. Type the full domain exactly as it appears, including the extension, then continue. Shopify will run a quick eligibility check. This is where it confirms the domain is unlocked and ready to move. If anything needs attention, you'll see a message here. Otherwise, proceed and you'll be asked for the authorization or EPP code from your current provider. Paste that code carefully. It's case-sensitive and must match exactly. When you're ready, click Next to confirm and move forward. From here, simply follow the on-screen prompts. Depending on your domain, you may see a small renewal fee, which extends your registration by an additional year as part of the transfer. That's normal for most registrars and ensures your domain stays active without interruption. After you submit, the transfer begins. Most transfers complete within a few days, though it can take up to a week. During this time, keep an eye on your email for any approval messages related to the transfer, and don't make changes to the domain's contact details until it's finished. You can check the status anytime back in Shopify under Settings, then Domains. Once the transfer completes, the domain will appear in your Shopify domain list. At that point, Shopify will guide you to set it as your primary domain if you'd like your storefront to use it by default. That's it. You've moved your domain management into Shopify, simplified your workflow, and set yourself up for easier renewals and DNS control going forward. Thanks for watching, and take your time with each prompt. Accuracy with the domain name and code is what makes this